Aura Floor Care offer you national services of professional commercial sector carpet cleaning and tiled floor cleaning, with specialist equipment for maintenance of every type of commercial carpet, including glued back office carpet tiles found in corporate offices and business parks. Our portfolio consists of cleaning tens of thousands of square meters of flooring for multinational companies directly or via facilities management, property managers, as well as many trade and service businesses. Save yourself time and expense. Those days of chasing are over. Simply sit back and reap the rewards by choosing an award-winning and experienced company with over 20 years of trade experience, fully guaranteed work, PAS 86 British Standard and Trustmark government approved. Being senior members of the National Carpet Cleaners Association means constant regular training, and we take our stance in the industry very seriously. For a cost-efficient service without the risk, choose us to maintain a safe and clean workspace for you and your customers. Call or email us to book a free on-site inspection and estimate.